Hello friends, so this is the second video of corporate laws and compliance sections, section 124. So this is unpaid dividend account. All the provisions are related to unpaid dividend account is written in section 124. So in section 123 we have read that the dividend was declared and it was transferred to a separate bank account within 5 days of its declaration. Fine. So after the transfer of dividend to a separate bank account and it was not claimed by anyone for within 30 days. So then after the completion of this 30 days, within 7 days, within 7 days, that amount which was not claimed by anyone will be transferred to a separate bank account, that is known as unpaid dividend account. Then second point is preparing of statement of particulars of unpaid dividend. So in this point, the company shall within a period of 90 days of making any transfer of an amount under subsection 1 of section 124 to the unpaid dividend account, whatever the amount was transferred to the unpaid dividend account, they have to make the statement containing the names, their last known addresses, and the unpaid dividend that is to be paid to each person, and and all these information has to be placed on the website of the company. So the next point is default in transfer of amount. So if any default is committed in transferring any amount to the unpaid dividend account, then the interest then so interest on such amount has to be transferred to to the unpaid dividend account at the rate of 12% per annum. Fine. Then fourth point is apply for payment of claimed amount. So if any person who is claiming to be entitled to any money which was transferred to the unpaid dividend account, they have to apply it to the company for the payment of money that was transferred. Then this is how he can claim, or he can apply for payment of claimed amount. Then the fifth point is transfer of unclaimed amount to investor education and protection fund. So this point we will read in next video. This is a separate section. So any amount which was transferred to the unpaid dividend account for account and it was not claimed for a period of 7 years, it is not claimed by any person for a period of 7 years, then this amount will be transferred to investor education and protection fund. So if we read these two sections in short, section 123 and section 124. So firstly, dividend declared, then within 30 days it is paid or claimed. Fine. Then if after completion of this 30 days it is not claimed by anyone, then within 7 days it is deposited in a separate bank account which is known as unpaid dividend account. Fine. Then we read that after it is deposited, then within 90 days the statement of details is made and it is displayed on the website of the company. Fine. If not done, means if this amount which was not claimed by anyone is not deposited in a separate bank account, then interest at the rate of 12% is 12% per annum has to be paid and deposited in this account. Fine. Come on the website of the company. Fine. Of company. If this declared amount is not claimed by any person for 7 years, then this amount is transferred to a separate account. Transfer to Investor Education and Protection Fund account. Protection Fund. So that's it for section 123 and 124. If you have any doubts, you can comment for it and I will try to answer it. I'll be trying to give 2 sections each day, and that's all for today. Thanks a lot for watching this video. If you find it helpful, you can subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching.